great day to you. So I would love to share 2 useful tools for Shopify sellers with you. And also in the description of the video, you're gonna find the best offers for those tools and videos that show you how to use those tools from A to Z. Okay, so the first tool is called Sellerboard. Sellerboard is gonna help you with your profit analytics on Shopify, as well as with many other functions of your Shopify store. In the description, you're gonna find a special link for 2 months free trial, and also a video that shows you how to use this tool from A to Z, about a 40-minute tutorial in the description for you, so check it out. And the second tool I have for you is called Link My Books. This tool is gonna help you with your Shopify accounting, all right? So it's gonna help you kind of put your accounting on autopilot, a great tool for bookkeeping and accounting for Shopify sellers. There is a free trial in the description to try it out. Plus, this link is gonna grant you free onboarding. And also there's a special coupon code that helps you save money. It's also in the description for you. And also, I have for you a video instruction of about 30 minutes that shows you how to use this tool, all right, called Link My Books for Shopify sellers. So it's in the description. And also what's interesting about Link My Books is that it can be used by Shopify sellers, but also by e-commerce sellers on other platforms like Amazon, Walmart, TikTok Shop, Etsy, Square, WooCommerce, and Shopify, and also, what have I not mentioned? Maybe Walmart. But it can be used by sellers on those platforms, but also it can be used by accountants and bookkeepers that are managing sellers on those platforms. So it's pretty cool, right? Also, I have a video instruction for accountants and bookkeepers that is an instruction for Link My Books, the second tool. So all the links are in the description. We have, again, links for Sellerboard, profit analytic tool for Shopify sellers, with the 2-month free trial and video that shows you how to use it from A to Z. By the way, it can also be used by Amazon sellers. So there's gonna be a link also for 2-month free trial for Amazon sellers. And Link My Books free trial, a video instruction that shows you how to use a 30-minute video instruction for Shopify sellers and general e-commerce sellers. And then there's also a video tutorial of Link My Books that shows you how to use it for accountants and bookkeepers, how accountants and bookkeepers can use it, because they can help sellers. If you're an accountant or bookkeeper that's managing e-commerce sellers, this tool, Link My Books, can be useful for you too. So check it out. Also, I'll leave them here. The first video is gonna be how to use Sellerboard for Shopify as a seller, okay? And the second one is gonna be how to use Link My Books for sellers and e-commerce sellers, Shopify sellers. Be well, a bit cold here.